Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I would like to teach you how to reset your home screen layout so that all the applications on your home screen will be as it was when you purchased the iPhone, or as the newest version of iPhone comes with the home screen layout. That home screen layout can be on your device, and this is how you do it even on the iOS 14. I'm currently on the iOS 14 beta, and I have some widgets as well as some applications on my iPhone, as you can see right now. And all these applications are not as it was, of course, when I bought this iPhone. And of course, I made these widgets myself. They were not pre-installed on my iPhone, as well as other applications. And now let us finally reset the home screen layout. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go to the settings application, scroll all the way down to general, go to the reset over here, and here are some options. Be careful not to mistap any of these options, because some are the options that might completely erase all the data from your iPhone. So we don't need this, of course. So we are just simply going to tap the 5th button that says reset home screen layout. Then will tell us this will reset your home screen layout to factory defaults. We're gonna tap reset home screen, and this is how it looks, the resetted one. So what actually happened when I resetted this? Of course, these pages are as they were in the factory default when you purchased the newest iPhone, of course. All the widgets have been removed from my iPhone, as well as all the applications. They were not, of course, deleted, but rather than they were alphabetically ordered. So as you can see, these are like Akinator, Amazon, Apple Store, then BitLife, B, like A, B, C, and like all of them are alphabetically sorted. And this is how you actually reset your home screen layout. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up or like as you wish, and subscribe down below so that you don't miss any future videos like this. Thank you guys, bye.